Okay, here it is given a particle moves along the curve r vector is equal to cos 2t I cap plus sin 2t j cap plus t into k cap. We need to find the components of velocity and acceleration at time given pi by 8 along the given curve. So what we need to do is, here it is given to find the components of velocity and acceleration. Normally we know how to find velocity and acceleration. Velocity formula is dr by dt, that is a normal differentiation, and acceleration formula is differentiation of the velocity. But here they have told you to find components of velocity. So here, since components of velocity they have given, so there will be some extra work to be done. So I'll start solving. So first I'll write down the given vector. R vector is equal to cos 2t into I cap plus sin 2t into j cap plus t into k cap. Okay, first I will find out the velocity. Velocity is nothing but dr by dt, differentiation of these vector with respect to t. Okay, what is differentiation of cos 2t? Differentiation of cos is, we know that it is sine minus sine 2t, but since 2t is extra, so I'll write into d by dt of the extra function 2t. I cap will be as it is, plus what is differentiation of sine 2t? Sine differentiation is cos into d by dt of 2t because it is extra function, and j cap we don't differentiate as it is. Here differentiation of t is, we write d by dt of t into k cap as it is. So minus sine 2t into differentiation of 2 into t. Since 2 is constant, it will be out. So d by dt of only remaining term, that is t into I cap cos 2t. Same thing, 2 into t, 2 is a number out. D by dt of t j cap plus t with respect to t, answer is 1 into k cap, because we know the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So similarly t with respect to t will be 1. Alphabets may be changed but the formula remains same. So here minus sine 2t into 2 into, again t with respect to t is 1. So again I don't write that 1, I cap plus cos 2t into 2. T with respect to t is again 1. So j cap plus k cap. So this is your velocity. Okay. Now I will find, so before finding the acceleration, what I'll do is, first I'll put the time at t is equals to pi by 8. They have given in the question clearly you need to find velocity and acceleration at time t is equals to pi by 8. So in the velocity expression, wherever there is t, I'll put pi by 8. So velocity vector v is equals to minus sine 2 into, in place of t it will be pi by 8 into 2 into I cap plus cos of 2 into, again t is nothing but pi by 8 into 2 into j cap plus k cap. So what we get, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So normally we get minus sine pi by 4 into 2 into I cap plus cos pi by 4 into 2 into j cap plus k cap. That is, this 2 I'll write it front numbers, 2 into sine pi by 4 into I cap plus this 2 also I'll write front, 2 into cos pi by 4 into j cap plus k cap. So we know what is sine pi by 4. So sine pi by 4 is nothing but sine 45 degree. So pi by 4 indicates 45 degree. We know the value of sine 45 degree in the given chart, that is sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. So same value I'll put here. So sine pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2 into I cap plus 2 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into j cap plus k cap. So now here, for the simplification, what I'll do is, this single 2 I can write it as root 2 into root 2. So any number we can write in the form of root 2's. Like for example 3 also can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 2 is root 2 into root 2. How it is possible? For example 2 I have written as root 2 into root 2. Okay, but if I solve this, root 2 into root 2 is what? It is nothing but root 2 the whole square. Square and root get cancelled, so 2 remains. So you get the answer 2. So therefore I can split any number into their root 2's. So 2 I'll here split it again into root 2 into root 2. So into 1 by root 2 I cap. Again this 2 again I'll write it as root 2 into root 2 into this 1 by root 2 into j cap plus k cap. So 1 root 2 1 root 2 1 root 2 1 root 2 get cancel. So finally minus root 2 into I cap plus root 2 into j cap plus k cap is your velocity at t is equals to pi by 8. So this is your velocity after putting the time t is equals to pi by 8. So to find the components of velocity, I'll do it afterwards. So for that first I'll need to find acceleration. I'll start solving for acceleration, then I'll go for the other things. So how to find the acceleration? We know acceleration is nothing but it is differentiation of velocity vector. So which velocity vector, like whatever the answer of velocity you get, that will take and will start differentiating that and will get acceleration. So which one I'll use? I will not take this velocity vector and start differentiating. I will take the expression of velocity before putting the time. So before putting the time t is equals to pi by 8, this was the expression for the velocity. Right. So this expression I'll take and I'll find out the acceleration. So yeah. So I'll write here what was the velocity we had got. Before putting t is equals to pi by 8, we got minus 2 sine 2t into I cap plus 2 cos 2t into j cap plus k cap. This was the velocity expression before putting t is equals to pi by 8. Now find the acceleration. Acceleration formula is dv by dt, differentiation of velocity. So what is the differentiation? Minus 2 is a number, it will be out. So only differentiation of sine 2t into I cap plus, here 2 is a number, 2 will be out, dv by dt of only cos 2t into j cap plus differentiation of k cap. Next minus 2 into, we know differentiation of sine is nothing but cos 2t. Since 2t is nothing but it is an extra function, so again I need to write d by dt of 2t into I cap plus 2 has d. Differentiation of cos is nothing but minus sine 2t, but since 2t is extra here, again I will take into d by dt of 2t into j cap plus. Here you see, here it is with respect to t and k. With respect to t means what? There should be some term of t to differentiate. But since there is no term of t, here it was t, we differentiated. Here it was t, we differentiated it. But here there is no t, only k is there. So the differentiation where no the respective term is present, so it will be 0. So finally minus 2 into cos 2t into, again same thing, 2 is a number out, d by dt of only remaining term t I cap plus into minus 2 into sine 2t, d by dt of 2 into t, again 2 out, differentiation of left is t with respect to t into j cap. This is already 0. So we get minus 2 into cos 2t into 2, differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 I cap, minus 2 into sine 2t into 2, differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 j cap. So 2 2s are 4, minus 4 into cos 2t into I cap minus 2 2s are 4 into sine 2t into j cap. So this is your acceleration before putting time. Okay, always remember this 2 and this 2 cannot be multiplied. This 2 is only for cos, so whatever the numbers with will be cos and sine, that cannot be multiplied with the other numbers. This you can multiply because it is not with the cos. Into sine is separate here, so 2 2s are 4 I can write. You cannot multiply this number with this 2, any of these. Okay, so now put at time t is equals to pi by 8. So wherever there is t, put pi by 8 into I cap, sine into 2 into again pi by 8 into j cap. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So minus 4 cos of pi by 4 into I cap minus 4 sine of pi by 4 into j cap. So finally same thing, cos pi by 4 is cos 45 degrees, sine pi by 4 is sine 45 degrees. So the value of that 45 degree, you know, it is 1 by root 2 into I cap, 1 by root 2 into j cap, value of cos pi by 4 and sine pi by 4. So this you can keep it as it is. This is acceleration. So this is just normal acceleration and velocity we found out. Now we need to find components of velocity and acceleration. For that, one extra vector was given in the question at the starting, that is this root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap plus k cap. This was given an extra vector in the question. So first I'll take that vector as some r vector, that is root 2 into I cap plus root 2 into j cap plus k cap. So this is nothing but it is an extra vector. So what I'll do is I'll find its unit vector. R cap is equals to r vector divided by magnitude of that vector. You know how to find unit vector. So what is the r vector given to you? Root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap plus k cap divided by, what is the magnitude, means how to find coefficients of I, j, k, square it, root 2 square plus root 2 square, since there is no number with k, so 1 square. So square and root get cancelled, so you get root 2 into I cap plus root 2 into j cap plus k cap divided by square root of 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. So this is your unit vector r cap. So now finally the formula for components of velocity. So formula is velocity vector dot unit vector r cap. So the given vector we have taken as r vector, you can notate it with any one. So what is the velocity we got before, after putting time t is equals to pi by 8 is this. So this vector I am going to use after putting time. So that was minus root 2 into I cap plus root 2 into j cap plus k cap dot product with the r unit vector. Unit vector what we had got, that is same thing, root 2 into I cap plus root 2 into j cap plus k cap divided by root of 5. So you know how to find the dot product of two vectors. So multiply I coefficients and I coefficient, that is minus root 2 into root 2 plus here root 2 into root 2 plus here with k coefficient there is no number, so 1, here also no number, so 1, so 1 into 1 whole divided by root 5. So finally, so this minus sign it will be out only, we cannot multiply. Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but root 2 the whole square, root 2 into root 2 is again root 2 the whole square plus 1 divided by root 5. Square root get cancelled, so you get the answer minus 2 plus 1 divided by root 5, that is nothing but you get the answer 1 by root 5. Okay, next I'll find the components of acceleration. So the same formula, instead of v vector you will have the a vector dot r cap. So acceleration what we had got after putting t is equals to pi by 8 is minus 4 into 1 by root 2 into I cap minus 4 into 1 by root 2 into j cap dot product with r cap. So what we had got r cap, same thing, that is root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap plus k cap divided by root 5. So now multiply the coefficient, same thing. So I coefficient here is minus 4 into 1 by root 2 into, here I coefficient is root 2 plus here j coefficient is minus 4 into 1 by root 2 into, here j coefficient is root 2. Here we don't have k, so here there is k present. If we don't have k, we take 0. So 0 into anything will be 0, so I will not write the k coefficient here. Divided by root 5. So root 2 get cancelled. So we get minus 4 plus into minus, again minus 4 divided by root 5. That is minus 8 by root 5. So this is how you find the components of velocity and components of acceleration. Thank you.